I am sorry, trading turned my reality into something most people only watch online. Weekly high income, villas, and global mobility. I am offering you an opportunity, free practice, free education, and access to my signals in Telegram. Join my community and message me. Opportunity favors the prepared.
Sometimes it feels like deja vu on the chart, but that's not luck, it's consistency in chaos. The same mistakes, same reaction, same outcomes. I just learned to be on the right side of that repetition. History pays when you read it right.
Here we will open a trade for a decrease, we open it along the trend line. Now our signal is confined by the area of exit from the overbought zone.
I built this community, so you don't have to waste money on fake mentors. Inside my Telegram group, you will train for free, analyze real market situations, learn profitable setups, and receive signals with 70% accuracy daily. Start now and master trading through real practice, not empty promises.
And also by the trend line, the touch of the upper moving average of the channel, a good point of contact. A new local high is forming, and after this upward price pullback,
I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
we are opening a sell trade focusing on the ADX indicator. Its value is around 41, not higher than 45, which means the trend shouldn't change yet. If ADX goes above 45 or 60, that's when the trend might shift, but for now it's still downward. After a flat phase, the market's turning bearish again, so we are opening with the trend. Less than 20 seconds left, the movement looks perfect. And once again, the trade closes in profit.
I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. When price explodes, most traders lose focus. The noise, the rush, the instant movement, it's overwhelming. But impulses aren't chaos if you have seen them 1,000 times. I breathe slower when the chart moves faster. Calmness keeps execution clean. Join my Sawyer community where I teach for free. Real strategy lesson and practice, free daily signals, step-by-step trading guide. Your results start the moment you take the first step. Tap below and enter the group.